Feeling stuck even before starting the journey of learning English language? Well, let's fix it. My name is Sakshi and I'm your dedicated English language coach. I have helped couple of students like this. The one they were really overwhelmed in the beginning. However, they had no idea how to start their learning English journey. I have been there myself and I have discovered a step-by-step plan to make learning English easy and effective. If you do not have a clear starting point, it could lead you to visit on random apps or to visit on random English language learning materials. And that could lead to the waste of time, to the waste of efforts. Or worse, it could lead you to missing on your promotions, to missing on making new friends, or even to travel confidently. Well, stay with me till the end of the video and I'll share a foolproof plan to kickstart your English journey with confidence. The real issue isn't a lack of resources. However, the reason is being overwhelmed by too many options. The books, videos, random apps, podcast, without knowing the clear path. And this could lead you the frustration, burnout, or by the end of giving it up. However, do not worry. Examples: jumping between the grammar without understanding basics, watching random videos without a structured plan, starting with the advanced book and being lost. When you don't know where to start, you end up by wasting months or even years without any improvement. Well, do not go there and do not waste a single minute of our time and just start with the practice. Well, here are 4 things which we are going to follow in order to start our journey. The first thing which we are going to do, we are going to identify our purpose, that we are learning English language for our career or to travel globally. If we are learning it to travel globally, then we are going to get focused towards traveling phrases first. And the second thing which we are going to follow, master the basics first. Master the basic grammar, the basic tenses like the present, indefinite, simple present and the simple past in order to make day-to-day conversation or the previous incident. Use app like Duolingo and Babbel, but stuck with the beginner level. Build a simple routine. Start practicing for 15 minutes every day and learn 3 to 4 words every day. This is going to make a drastic change in your learning English language journey. Practice speaking early. Use a language exchange app or shadow YouTube videos. Always practice aloud. This is going to give you more and more confidence. Imagine feeling confident while introducing yourself in English, initiating a conversation without getting stressed, and actually enjoying the learning by starting the right plan. You'll see progress in weeks, not in years. If you are ready to start your learning English journey today, just comment, let's start. I'll share a 7 days step-by-step guides with you. You could also participate in a 3 days challenge of speaking English confidently. Don't let the confusion hold you back. Just start it from here. Thank you.